Today, we're taking a deeper dive into one of the most crucial skills in instructional design: writing effective learning objectives using Bloom's taxonomy. So, if you're an aspiring instructional designer, or just looking to sharpen your existing skills, this video is for you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. A learning objective serves as a blueprint for your instructional design. It guides your content creation, activities, and assessments, ensuring that everything you do is aligned with what you want learners to achieve. Your objective should have a clear, straight line through every single element of your learning experience. For example, if you have content that isn't supporting an objective, you should question why it's there in the first place. Similarly, any practice activity should directly contribute to achieving your objective. If it's not, then it's not worth having. Remember, the name of the game here is alignment. Start with a stem that leads into the learning objective. Now, let's talk about Bloom's taxonomy, a vital tool in creating learning objectives. Bloom's taxonomy is essentially a classification of the different learning objectives that educators set for students. It's useful because it provides a list of action verbs that can start your learning objectives, from simpler tasks to more complex ones. The idea here is that as we move up the pyramid, achieving these objectives becomes more challenging. This taxonomy is particularly handy when writing cognitive objectives, which are concerned with knowledge and understanding. However, it's important to note that these verbs aren't used for performance-based objectives. If you're not familiar with Bloom's taxonomy, a simple Google search can provide you with an insightful visual guide. The next step is making sure that your objectives are measurable. This essentially means that you should be able to assess whether or not the learner has achieved the objective. Avoid vague words like understand. Instead, opt for concrete action verbs. For example, instead of saying, understand the causes of stress, a better objective might be, list 3 causes of stress. This clarity is crucial in differentiating great instructional designers from the rest. Not only do we want our objectives to be measurable, but they should also be meaningful. The learning objectives should either directly aid the learner on their job, or support a larger objective that can be applied in their role. This relevance is crucial in maintaining learner engagement and ensuring the information learned is practical and valuable. A complete learning objective may also include criteria and conditions. A good example would be, given a microscope, identify the nucleus with 90% accuracy. The condition here is having a microscope, the performance is identifying the nucleus, and the success criteria is 90% accuracy. This gives the learner a clear understanding of what they need to do, how they should do it, and what success looks like. There are some common mistakes to avoid when writing learning objectives. One is confusing activities with objectives. For example, working in small groups to discuss the causes of stress as an activity, not an objective. The objective might be identify and discuss 3 main causes of stress. Another mistake is overshooting with Bloom's taxonomy. If your audience lacks the necessary background knowledge, setting an unrealistic high-level objective can lead to frustration and disengagement. Keep your audience in mind when selecting your verb from Bloom's taxonomy. Writing learning objectives using Bloom's taxonomy is an incredibly valuable skill in instructional design. Remember, alignment, measurability, and relevance are your guiding principles. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and share it with others who might benefit. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with writing learning objectives, so drop a comment below. And, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. We also have a video dedicated to becoming an instructional designer, which I'll link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.